Dear student, good morning. As you know, I had explained chapter 9 Earth's four spheres. The topic atmosphere means air. You know, air is the mixture of different gases, many varieties of gases. Some gases are very useful and some gases are harmful to human beings. I explained about oxygen, I explained about CO2 gas, carbon dioxide and other gases. I also explained nitrogen gas, how it is found and what is the percent of oxygen gas and nitrogen gas as well as other gases. Today I am explaining lithosphere. Lithosphere means landform, land mass of the earth. Land mass of the earth. You know, earth is very huge, very big. So it is found two poles of the earth, north pole and south pole. And we can study the earth as to understanding the model globe. We can study the earth with the help of the earth's model globe. So today I am explaining lithosphere. So lithosphere is a solid layer of the earth that is uppermost part of the earth, where we live, where we build the buildings, where we dwell, we live, where we do agriculture, where we plant plantations, forests. So in this way, lithosphere is very important, and lithosphere, it is found as a landfall 29% of the total whole earth. And lithosphere, because it is a huge mass of the landfall, you can understand the structure of the earth in this way. Earth's inner structure. Inside the earth, what is found? You can see the outer of the earth, it is atmosphere. Atmosphere means mixture of gases are found, and with the help of gravitational force, atmosphere also is attached with earth. So air is a mixture of gases, different gases, as you know. So in earth's structure, the first portion, uppermost part, is crust. Crust is the uppermost layer of the earth, uppermost layer of the earth in the earth's structure. Second, mantle. Second layer is called mantle. Third layer, it is called outer core. Outer core. And exactly midpoint, center, it is called core. In this center, temperature is very high. All the metals, all types of the metallic items, elements are found in the molten state. Molten stage. You have seen the boiling of water. Like boiling of the water, all the metals boils here. All the metals boil here in the core. So do you understand? This is the earth's structure. So in this way, you know, the highest point on the lithosphere is Mount Everest. Means Mount Everest, it is located really in China. Some portions of this mount is in Nepal and many portions is found in China. From China side, the mountaineers goes, and height of this highest peak 8,848 meters. But nowadays it has been increased, and 8,850 meters approximately it is found from the sea level. And in the Pacific Oceans, means in hydrosphere also you can find the Mariana Trench. I have told already, it is the depth portion, the very depth portion, greatest depth portion of the sea, and this depth is 10,900 meters. It is more than highest peak of the earth. Next, you study this book and read other matters. Next, biosphere. Biosphere. What is biosphere? Biosphere. Biosphere very well known terms as living things, where living things live. Living things live. So here live living things. So the biosphere is a very narrow sphere of the earth where contains life, and due to including atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, the life exists here. Without atmosphere, without the help of hydrosphere, without the help of lithosphere, the life cannot exist here. So it is very important because the elements related to the life, it is found air, land and water, that are essential for the life, that life to exist. It is found in biosphere. So term biosphere related to atmosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. So where you can see this figure, this is biosphere. Biosphere, it is connected to atmosphere, and hydrosphere, and lithosphere. Lithosphere. Do you understand? Biosphere, where the life dwells, the living creatures live here, and it is connected to directly atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. So in biosphere, all the living creatures live, from micro to macro, from bacteria, virus to visible creatures like elephant, human beings, dogs, any animals. And it is very important, from the atmosphere we get oxygen, from lithosphere we get land, from hydrosphere we get water. So all the essential items for life to exist, it is found from atmosphere, from lithosphere and from hydrosphere. So all three are very important for biosphere. They form altogether biosphere. So next you study the chapter and you try to do worksheet number 9. I have done already, and tick the correct answers, true, false, and also you revise, answer the following. So dear student, you revise this chapter and I have completed. So for today's class, thank you.